Did you know that some Uber and delivery drivers are getting hit with 3,000 pounds in backdated fines from clean air zones they didn't even know existed? Here's what's happening that nobody's talking about. Birmingham, Bristol, and London's ULEZ all have different rules for what cars can enter without paying. Your vehicle might be fine in one city, but cost you 180 pounds per day in another. The worst part? These aren't like speed cameras that flash when you're caught. These enforcement cameras silently record your number plate, and you only find out weeks later when the penalty arrives. Many drivers think their older diesel van is exempt because one website says it's okay, but another website shows it fails the Euro 6 emission standard. Some areas had grace periods that just ended, meaning drivers who've been getting through free for months are suddenly facing daily charges. The retrofit solutions that garages are selling, half of them aren't actually approved by the councils. Before you drive into any clean air zone, check your specific vehicle on each city's official checker website. Your livelihood depends on it.